In this RoutBot CNC application video, we will see how to obtain our license. We have connected to our CNC controller using the USB converter. Our CNC controller computer is running. The new modem cable is connected to COM port 1 of the CNC controller. And we also have connected the USB to our RS-232 converter. So all the cables are connected, the CNC controller is running, and we also have connected our graphical user interface software installed on this laptop computer to our CNC controller. So we are all good to go. Now we need to obtain the license. To obtain the license, we need to go to the RoutCAD RoutBot License Manager. We enter the address www.routcad.com/english/license.html. If we have an internet connection on the computer that we have installed the graphical user interface on, this is perfect. We can just go and open a web browser to get our license. If not, we need to go on another computer or another device with an internet connection and then obtain our license. To obtain our license is quite easy. All we need to do is to enter the information that we got on our activation sheet. On our activation sheet, we got a customer number, we got a first name, and a last name. We have to enter this information as written on our activation sheet. The last thing we need to enter is the computer ID. When we connect to the CNC controller computer, we will get a controller ID. In this case, it is 326335. We got to enter the exact same number in the computer ID. So with this information, we are ready to activate our license. To obtain the license, we just click on Activate License. As this is only an example, we will not click Activate License there. But for a real customer, we click on Activate License, and then the license number will appear over there. Then we get that, we take that license number, we can either copy it, or we can just write it down on a piece of paper, and we enter this license number in the controller license. When this is done, we are ready to apply our license to the controller. And this is something that we only need to do once. When we obtain our license number and we apply it to the controller, all this information is saved. The next time we will connect to the CNC controller, we do not need to go back and obtain a license again. And also, it is important to know that the license that we obtain is unique and it only valid for one CNC controller. So we got to make sure that we use a CNC controller computer in good condition. Then we're going to use that to work, and this is on that computer that the license will be activated. Now let's go and activate that license. So to do that, we click on Apply License. Now we can see that the CNC controller is getting all the parameters. Everything is being downloaded to the CNC controller, and we can see the progress bar. Now, the graphical user interface and the CNC controller are in sync, and you are ready to use it. Now it's ready to go. You can do anything you want with the software at this point.